welcome back to week 3, which is progress week. Now this week, we had to show some progress to our project. Now you guys, I am super excited because I have made some progress. Really, I have made some progress. This week, my desire was to have the stuff that I had up above over in that area right there. My desire was to have that all taken down and removed so that we could actually see what was going on up in there, in that area there. And then my other desire was to have the table that I had over on the side, to have that cleaned off. So it's not completely cleaned or completely clean, because I had to put some stuff back, and it's actually some of the stuff that's actually going to stay there, but yeah, it's better than what it was. So I'm super excited, you guys. I'm waiting for my shelves, and I guess that'll be for next week. I haven't gotten the shelves up yet, but I have made progress. So you guys, thank you all so much for stopping back into my channel this week to actually see the progress.
Okay, here is space of interest for this week to try to get it cleaned up, organized, and get some function over here in this space. This is some of my supplies that I have that are stationed here. So here, you guys, I am going to start off by treating my windows, cleaning them up, getting them ready for either my curtains or my blinds. But you know, I don't want to put anything up with the windows being dirty. So that is part of my progress for this week, is to clean my windows, clear out the top section above, and to clear off my table there. Progress. Week number 3 of our outdoor living space challenge.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one. My breath, looking up, life moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a
So guys, this
of
is our area of interest this week. It is to get all of this stuff cleared out, as this is week number 3, and week number 3 we are to show progress. So it is my intent and my desire to get this space here cleaned up. So hey guys, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say I welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would like to become a part of my family here, all you have to do is hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads, and I thank you so much for stopping by. And for those of you that continue to support me on this journey, I appreciate you so much. I do not take it for granted.
Okay, you guys, now this outdoor living space makeover is part of the 6-week challenge that is being hosted by Juani over at Juani's house. Now you guys, if you have not visited Juani over at Juani's house, you're missing out on so much. Let me tell you, over at Juani's house, you may find her doing some home decor, sharing with you what she's going out to purchase. You may see her styling in her home. You may find her doing some cooking. You will find her cleaning. You may find her doing a shopping haul, or you may see her doing a fashion try-on. I mean, you just may find Juani being relaxed and having conversation with her viewers. Such a wonderful person and such a wonderful channel with some amazing content. So if you have not visited Juani over at Juani's house, as a favor to me, I'm asking that you go over and you just show her so much love and let her know that I sent you there. And while you're there, just browse around, see what's going on over there. You will not be disappointed. And when she ends up her videos, she'll always say the next time that you're in town, you can always stop by Juani's house. Now, is that not an invitation? All right, enough with Juani, because I'm going to leave her in my description box below, and make sure you go over and visit. And also that playlist link that's listed, check that out. Check out the other viewers and see what it is that they will be sharing with you as part of their 6-week challenge makeover. Now, you guys, you know, I'm back here, so I want you to continue to enjoy this video and continue to enjoy what I'm sharing with you guys. I appreciate you so much. Okay, you guys, can you see up here? I'm super excited. Yes, we got that cleared out. Hubby came in as the knight in shining armor, and we got that all cleared out up there, which is where the my shelf is gonna go across there. So we got that done, you guys. Yes, we did. We got it done. I'm excited. Can you feel the excitement in me? I'm so excited. All right, you guys, continue to enjoy.
So what you guys see here in the middle of the floor are just some of those organizational bins that I have used. I think I picked those up from Target. Don't think I'm going to use those this time around or not, but I have them if I need them. And you guys, let me know what you think. Do you see progress? Are you as excited about this as I am? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I am super, 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 super excited.
Now, to all of my mothers here, I would like to say from me to you guys, happy Mother's Day, and do enjoy your day. Be blessed and take care, you guys. Thank you.